this concert. Get out of here. Did
It's
you
a,
get up there?
no, it's a Kentucky State Church
Yeah.
that puts on free benefit fundraisers, and he is a church. His name is Andre.
You get up and dance.
No, it's a concert.
You just sit there.
Well, yeah.
You don't boogie in your chair or anything.
Well, that's beside the point. I don't do that. I know every song he does.
That's a stop point. Yeah.
He
Does he have the outfits and everything?
Oh, yeah.
Get the hell out of here.
He's got about 9 different outfits. And it costs nothing to get in.
I'm not believing it. I'm pretty sure I have a suspicious mind on this one.
Yeah.
But they passed a bucket.
Oh,
Or
you got to put out
it's
money.
It's a fundraiser.
Mhm.
They passed the bucket.
You want your cash?
Yeah. I got to watch it.
I think
This is a June bug in a blender.
I think the Elvis impersonator does it his way.
He's a Kentucky State Trooper captain. His name is Andre.
Is he hot?
He's good. His
He's got a big jumpsuit on in the middle of 80-degree weather.
If I did, I'd go for you. No.
Oh, burn!
You know that's a violation.
I'll cut you out of it.
He is no longer my favorite customer after that one. What a shit show.